Have you ever wondered how Ohm's law work? How you can find the resistance or the current or the voltage in the circuit? Well, it's quite easy. You make yourself a triangle and you split it into three, and you put the voltage on top, the resistance and the current. So if you wanted to find the current, it would be voltage divided by resistance. If you want to find the resistance, it would be voltage divided by current. And if you wanted to find the voltage, it would be resistance multiplied by current. So in our case, we want to find the resistance. So the resistance R equals voltage divided by current, which is 12 volts divided by 2 amps, which will give us 6 ohms. And if you wanted to find the power of such a circuit, you would simply draw another triangle. You would put the power on top, then you put the voltage and the current at the bottom. So the power would then be the voltage multiplied by current. So 12 volts multiplied by 2 amps should give us 24 watts of power.